Okay guys, very quick video to recap on the 3 things that I wanted you to do for homework following the R&R workshop. So, one of them was these band revolutions. I just love these. They're so simple. Grab your resistance band or a pair of tights if you don't own one of these, but you should own one of these. They're so useful. And you're just going to go forwards and back, skimming over the top of your head, and just opening up those chest muscles. In the workshop, we did it with a bit more bang for your buck. So you're coming forwards and then up as far as you can. And this way, you're just getting that little bit more in the back line as well as the front. So we're coming down as far as we can and then opening up here. Okay, so that's exercise number 1. Number 2 is with your tennis ball. Again, get a tennis ball if you don't have one, and we just massage the feet. You're just rolling through your feet, finding any sticky points, and just releasing all that tension in the feet, which then translates further up the body. So this is a great way to mobilise. Stick it under your desk at work, or have it under a desk at home or in the kitchen, so that when you're cooking, whatever, okay? Tennis ball. And then third and final one was this backline hang. So hands either on a table or up against a wall. And you're going to, again, slightly turn your toes in. I don't think you can see my feet there, but toes are slightly turned in, and you're going to push your bum away from your hands and just hang there. And you can move your hips from side to side and just really lengthen, so you've got this lovely stretch through your back down here, but also the hamstrings are on extra stretch from having your toes turned in. Okay, so those are the 3 everybody needs to do. All right, thank you very much.